Okay, hi YouTube. Coming on to do a quick pregnancy update. I am 11 weeks and 3 days today. Sorry, there's like cat hair everywhere. I'm 11 weeks and 3 days. So I have my next ultrasound, which is an NT scan to check for Down syndrome and trisomies. That is coming up on Thursday the 2nd, so I'm excited I get to see the baby again. Actually, I have two different appointments set for that day, so I might be getting two ultrasounds on the 2nd. One is with my high risk and one is with my regular OBGYN, which is ridiculous, but my regular OBGYN would not listen to me and change the appointment date. Whatever. I've been having frequent urination, more frequent. I'm going to the bathroom every 10-15 minutes just to pee. Oh my gosh, and it happens mostly at night, so it's irritating. Anything else? Let me see. Cravings. Not really craving much except for homemade macaroni and cheese, which is my version. I just use elbow macaroni, a can of diced tomatoes, and some cheese. Regular sliced cheese, not sliced cheese, but block cheese. But today I had to go buy shredded cheese because if I don't buy shredded cheese, everyone in the house eats it. So, yesterday I had this pain in my belly button that stretched horizontally to my back. I freaked out because the pain was so bad, like I couldn't move. So I called my OB. They told me it's round ligament pain. The baby's growing. It's preparing to pop outside of the pelvis. My uterus is preparing to pop outside the pelvis, which is when you start to show, and that's what's happening now. I'm 11 weeks, so that's normal. Saw the baby on the ultrasound 3 weeks ago. Everything was fine. That's about it. I still need to do the showing or the ultrasound. Oh my goodness, do the baby clothes and diapers and all that stuff that I have. I still have to do that video. Maybe I won't do that for a little while longer. As long as I make sure that everything's fine with the baby on Thursday, we're all good to go. I'm kind of slowing down on buying baby stuff. I know people go crazy, especially when it's their first, but for me personally, I feel like it's kind of a bad omen to keep buying baby stuff and I don't even know how the baby's doing. On top of the NT scan that I'm about to have, I also have to take my my Down syndrome blood tests. So genetic testing. I still have the baby genetic testing to do. And I have my blood work form at home, and it has to be done between 11 weeks and 13 weeks. So still have another week and a half to do it, or 2 weeks to do it. Trying to think of everything because, you know, this is kind of an impromptu video on my phone. Let me see. The morning sickness has died down, and I lost my C-bands. Do not have them anymore. So I've been feeling really crappy. I had my patient advocate / social worker get me Diclegis. I took that last night for the first time. Really didn't feel much of a difference. Less sick, I guess, but pretty much I'm gonna just have to ride out the morning sickness. Besides that, I feel fine. Sleep's fine. And I also am going to start a new job at the end of July at an elementary school. The 2 other jobs did not work out because of the pregnancy, blah, 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 so whatever. So moving on, moving forward, we're all good. I still feel pregnant. Another symptom that I've been having that I want to talk about in length is itchy breasts and itchy nipples. My nipples are also leaking already, and it's the itching. I've never had itchy breasts ever in my life, and so this symptom is hilarious, but it's also painful because you just want to scratch it. It's my milk ducts are coming in. Wow. So yeah, the baby's definitely growing and everything's fine. I'll go ahead and upload this. Wish I had more to say, but maybe I'll record this time. I'll get a chance to record during my ultrasound. I'm hoping. I mean, really, last time it was so quick I didn't get to record anything. So everything's fine. 11 weeks and 3 days. I'll be 12 weeks on Thursday. So moving just quite out of this first trimester.